Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can create a new user profile in a Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. Open up Waterfox, and what you will need to do, guys, is click into these three lines in the top right corner and click into profiles below. So as you can see, guys, I haven't created any profile yet. So let me create a new one by clicking into this plus new profile button. After that, you'll be redirected to that window here on Waterfox. So what you want to do here, guys, is simply give your profile a name, like, I don't know, my profile 1 or something like that. And you can assign a color theme below, like, I don't know, this one here or that one. Let me go with this one. And there's also these avatars here below you can use. And let me go with, with the star icon here. And that's basically it. After that, click into Done Editing, and that is going to create your new profile now. All your browsing history, for example, and your bookmarks can be saved under that one profile. If you'd like to change it, guys, simply click into this button in the top right corner and select it. And that's basically it. Or you may click into these three lines in the top right, click into Original Profile here, and navigate through or across your profiles or create a new one. You may also click into Manage Profiles and simply go with one of these here. Switch back to your original one, edit it by clicking into this pencil icon, or create a completely new one. And also set a profile as default whenever you open up Waterfox, guys. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.